can I do this quickly and easily by hand? If I'm taking my GRE and I have 8 factorial over 5 factorial, there is no way I'm using that little on-screen GRE calculator with the little mouse to compute this. 8 factorial is a huge number. Even 5 factorial is a large number. How can I do this quickly and easily by hand? By canceling. I'm going to expand out 8 factorial and cut it off at 5 factorial. 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 factorial. This 5 factorial takes it all the way down to 1 without me actually having to write times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. I'm then going to copy over 5 factorial in the denominator and cancel. 5 factorial cancels with 5 factorial. From here, it's all 4th grade math. You can use your little on-screen GRE calculator for this if you want, because this is easy. This is much easier than 8 factorial. 8 times 7 is 56, times 6 is 336, and that is the answer.